Welcome to the tutorial series teaching you how to use the various analysis functions found on MyNASA Data's visualization tool, the Earth System Data Explorer. You can find relevant links in the video description. This video about the Earth System Data Explorer demonstrates how to use two different tools that allow you to look at more than one map at a time. Those tools are the Compare to Swipe and Side-by-Side tools. We have already selected the monthly surface air temperature data set for June of 2025 and zoomed in on the map. If you need help on these functions, please see the Introduction to the Earth System Data Explorer tutorial. Once we have our map loaded, we can enter into the Compare to Swipe function. This will allow us to compare two data sets by using a slider. The first data set that we've selected is loaded on the left-hand side, and on the right side, the map is the default white. We can change the base layer if we would like to compare the original map to the satellite image, for example, or we can compare it to the map base layer. Returning back to the white base layer, we will select our second data set to compare. The selection criteria on the right side for the analysis tools and data download work the same way as the selection criteria on the left. First, you choose a sphere. I will choose atmosphere. Then you choose the category, such as temperatures, and the data set. Choosing the same data set as the left-hand side, monthly surface air temperature, and I'm also selecting the same year, which is 2025. However, in this case, I will select a different month, and that will be December. So we have two maps loaded, one on the right and one on the left. Note that the data set on the right side also has information about it displayed. This includes the data set name, the date, the units, the legend, the description, and the source, as well as the option to change to the grayscale palette. When we move the slider, we can reveal the different maps. So it is as if they are overlaid on each other, and you can see the differences between the two. This is a very popular tool. You can also compare completely different data sets if you would like. Every time you use an analysis tool, when you're finished, you need to exit that tool. Here we are going to exit Compare to Swipe. Another option that allows us to compare more than one data set is called Side-by-Side. In this case, there is not a slider, but rather a divider, which allows you to look at the two maps next to each other. This is helpful if you want to see all the data at the same time. So again, on the right, we will select data. Here, I will select atmosphere and temperatures and the monthly surface air temperature again. And we will look at the same date, 2025, December, that we looked at in the compare to. And here you can see the two maps side by side. Just like in compare to, the second data set that we selected has information displayed on the right-hand side, including the data set name, date, units, legend, description, source, and option to change to grayscale palette. So this is two ways that you can look at more than one map at a time. I'm going to exit the tool. See our other videos for details on each of the analysis tools and data download options at our YouTube channel, which is linked in the description.